Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Troy-built rider. It's a TB42 7-speed. The reason they brought it in is on the blade engagement cable, the spring broke off of the cable, so we have to replace the cable to engage the blades, and the belt's gone, so we need to put a new belt on the deck. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I took the two mounts to hold the battery in that's under the seat and the cable. So I'm trying to show you here. Right up here is a 3/8 inch bolt that goes through the eyelet, and down there you can see the cable going by the axle down there. I'll show you on the new cable. So I ain't gonna be able to film. I'm not gonna be able to film that. But here's your eyelet right here. There's a 3/8 inch bolt that goes through there. Then there's a little hole where this little clamp goes in at the bottom by the transaxle down there. There's not enough room for me to stick the camera in there. That's why I'm showing you this now. We'll get that hooked up, then we'll lift up the lawnmower, and I'll show you where to hook the spring up on the deck. So I'll get that done here real quick. Okay, I got the back all hooked up from the front. See where it goes through that bracket right there, then it hooks up right here. Okay, we got the cable on. I'll try my best to show you how I put the deck belt on. The belt's totally gone, but it's really simple to put these on. Like here, your V pulleys. That's where the inside of the belt goes in. And these big flat ladder pulleys, that's where the back side of the belt goes on. So it little wraps around that pulley. Goes around just like that. That's how the belt goes on. Apologize for not showing you a better way, but that's how it goes on. Then I gotta put this bracket back on here and hang it back up, and it'll be done. Well, that's how you put the belt on when you don't have, if you took the old belt off, you kind of have an idea. And sometimes they have a sticker on the deck that tells you how to do it, but the sticker's gone on this. That's how you do it. The V's are for the inside of the belt. The flats are for the outside of the belt. Well, we got it all done. I'd start up and show you, but the battery's dead, and he said he has another battery at home. So I'd start up and show you, but everything should work right now. Blade engagement cable is working good now. Got that new belt on the deck. Everything should be ready to go. Sorry about inside here hooking that cable up. There's just no room for a camera in my big hands to do it. But where that eyelet is, there's a 3/8 inch bolt. You take that out of the eyelet. That's all you gotta do. Here's on this handle. It's really simple. Just sorry I couldn't show you. But anyways, appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.